If you are tilted towards one side outrightly, we'll find sources from where we can get weapons to save ourselves. So you need to carry out introspection whether your policy is right or not. We've been your allies for a very long time. We were part of CETO, CENTO, Baghdad Pact. We supported you in Vietnam. We supported you in Afghanistan. We helped you dismantle the erstwhile Soviet Union. And the muck that you created, we are still trying to clean that. So we have paid a lot of cost. What are you doing about us? The question, I must ask you the question. Are you maintaining a balanced approach or not? And just to add on, a lot of people talk about CPAC. Yes, CPAC is a very important development. There was a problem in Pakistan that we had shortages of electricity, huge shortages. Nobody was coming forward because there was a lot of terrorism. So Chinese stepped forward, they took the risk and they built these plants. But it doesn't mean that Pakistan is no-go for other areas. If you feel that there's too much of Chinese influence in Pakistan, the only way you can counter is by bringing in the counter investment. Who stops you? We'll welcome any investment. Few days back, Barrick Gold has signed a deal in which they're going to explore a mine in Buluch, a huge mine, copper mine. And Barrick Gold is a Canadian company, the Canadian ambassador sitting here. So we will welcome investment and cooperation